For routine outdoor cleaning jobs to tougher ones that require a bit more than elbow grease, a good pressure washer comes in quite handy. If you're in the market for a pressure washer, the two most important things to consider first are, how often will you use it? And what types of cleaning do you anticipate using it for? The answer to these questions will make it easier for you to determine the type and strength of pressure washer you need. The cleaning power of a pressure washer is measured in pounds per square inch, or PSI, and gallons per minute, or GPM, that the pressure washer uses. These will give you an idea of the force and volume of water the pressure washer produces and how fast it cleans. For light-duty home use, like washing the car, outdoor furniture, or small decks and patios, an electric pressure washer with a PSI rating of 1300 to 1900 and up to 1.5 GPM will be more than adequate. You should also look for one that's compact, lightweight, with a variety of nozzles, a steel wand, and an onboard detergent tank. The power cord should also have a built-in ground fault circuit interrupter to prevent electrical shock. Gas engine consumer models are designed for more frequent use and deliver a greater cleaning power for tackling larger patios and decks, siding, and other tough applications. They also clean up to 3 times faster than most electric power washers. Look for a gas pressure washer with 2000 to 3100 PSI rating and up to 2.5 GPM. And some other features you may want to include: a premium overhead cam or overhead valve engine, a heavy-duty frame with large wheels, and a pro-style steel spray wand with multiple spray tips. Professional gas engine pressure washers are equipped with pro-grade engines and pumps designed for everyday commercial use on tough jobs, such as paint stripping, graffiti removal, and other industrial cleaning applications. The cleaning power of these models range from 3200 to 4200 PSI and up to 4 GPM. You should look for professional gas engine pressure washers that feature a commercial series engine and pump, a heavy gauge steel welded frame, heavy-duty pneumatic tires and solid steel axle, and a pro-style wand with quick coupling and a variety of spray tips. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.